this site has quite a big slope to it. So yeah, that's the option I got and the option I'm running with. So overall, so far so good. Thousand Trails Chehalis, not too bad. It's been pretty quiet. We're in a small loop here. We got about 3 other ones that are closed right now, and like I think maybe 2 other ones that are open. It's a pretty big place, but so far very little traffic over here. I think some of the longer term tenants are here as well, so it's not a lot of in and out, which is nice. Cell phone reception is very spotty, so if you're working from home, it's a little bit questionable. Obviously, if you have Starlink, a lot of these campsites have no tree coverage, which is nice. This one has just a little bit, not much. But there's some other ones around here that does not have any at all. So just keep that in mind if you decide to come out this way and check it out. All right, well, let me start cooking. I got the fire going and I got Blackstone going. I guess that's a griddle. It didn't come with a Blackstone, but same, right?
Let's crash for the lucky one!
All right, pack up day. Oh lordy, I gotta get up this. That is. We are so high off the ground. It's like probably 2 feet, 2.5 feet. Oh, and I'm right in the branches too. Son of a gun. I gotta get up there. Oh, got it right in my eye. Water drop. I was looking up, fell right off the tree. Right in my eye. Well, I guess it's Godspeed to me, huh? Those are like random trails. Looking right here. Looks like it kind of cuts down through there. Alright, quit lollygagging. It's wet and cold out here. Let me see if I can do this, huh? Man, this could be entertaining. You know what? I should probably put my phone out just so it can record how ridiculous this is. I don't have anything to stand on. This table is not strong enough to hold me up. Okay, I guess let's just grip and rip, huh?